How to earn free Ethereum without any investment. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I will show you how you can earn free Ethereum without any investment. So let's start. When it comes to selling and buying and earning Ethereum, we know that this is the future and everybody is trading in Ethereum now. And Ethereum is one of the very famous blockchains out there. And you also want to earn Ethereum but for free without any investment. And let me tell you that that is actually possible. So today I will show you different platforms and wallets that actually give you an opportunity to earn free Ethereum. And the best thing is that you don't need to invest anything. So the first platform that you need to check out is Cryptics.org. Now, cryptics.org is where you mine cryptocurrency, right? And pays you bitcoins or real money. So you simply go ahead and mine cryptocurrency, and after that you simply earn with it. But that's the thing, you can see right here that with Cryptics we get a lot of different options in which you can earn. How much can I earn? You can see right here, this is given on their official website, and this is like about $95 per month, and this is for an average gaming PC. Then we have this one, which is mining RIG, and it is going to be about $615 per month. And then this one is mining Farm. This is going to be $13,000. So how you actually earn free Ethereum with Cryptics. So what happens is that on Cryptics, when you sign up and when you create an account, after that you can simply go ahead and earn Ethereum by just mining. And you can simply mine with your gaming PC, mining RIG, or you can mine a farm. And this is actually one of the platforms that gives you an easy way to simply withdraw your money that you have earned. So you can see right here, you can withdraw bitcoins or send money direct to your bank card as well. And this is actually the best thing about Cryptics. You can see right here the withdrawal amount. The minimum withdrawal amount is just $0.5. So even if you're earning $1, you will be able to withdraw that directly to your bank. So that is actually the best thing. How to get started with Cryptics? You can simply click right here on create account, and then it will allow you to create your own account. You can simply go ahead and sign up with your email address, set up a password, confirm password, and accept. Once you accept, then you will be able to register for Cryptics. And that is how simply you get started with it. And after that, you can also actually download Cryptics in order to mine and earn Ethereums. When it comes to Ethereum, you can actually go for different, coins as well. If we talk about the products, we have Cryptics Miner, Cryptics Pro, Cryptics OS, mining pools, rent, or CPUs, features, and fees as well. So let's go ahead and check out the fees for Cryptics as well, because when you will be mining and earning, you might be wondering that, okay, what is the fee for each coin and what is the minimum payout? So you can see right here, this is the withdraw fee. So when it comes to Ethereum, you can see right here, the fee is going to be 0.004 Ethereum, and the minimum payout is going to be 0.03 Ethereum. Similarly, there are other options given as well, such as we have Visa and MasterCard, we have Bitcoin, we have Amazon gift cards. So it all depends on different blockchains and different methods that you're going for, but we're going for Ethereum, and this is going to be the fee, and this is going to be the minimum payout. So you can go ahead and check out cryptics.org if you're looking for a platform to earn Ethereum. The next platform that you need to check out is going to be unmineable.com. Well, the name is unmineable.com, but here you simply go ahead and mine. But the thing is that you mine non-mineable crypto assets, and you can trade and buy and sell different assets that are actually non-mineable, such as we have crypto.com coin, we have Phantom, we have all of them are actually given right here. We have a baby doji as well, we have a Bitcoin Gold, we have Pancake Swap given too, and all of their tokens are given right here with them. And there you go, we have Ethereum too. So if I click on Ethereum and let's check out that what's the price of Ethereum and how we can earn Ethereum with unmineable. So what happens is you can simply go ahead and enter your address to check your status. You will be earning profitability. That's what happens with these platforms, with Cryptics and with unmineable and another platform that I will mention. These are all pay you. These platforms actually pay you the profitability. So what happens is you mine and then you earn in return, and you earn more than you mine. So that is how it simply works. So to get started with this platform right here, all you need to do is just simply add your address right here. You have to add your work name, your address, and then, or if you have any referral code, you can go ahead and use that too. So if you know mining, if you know Ethereum, then it's going to be really, really easy for you. And if you're like a complete beginner to all of this, then this may sound a bit confusing to you, and you'll be like, okay, what is mining? So that's like a very basic things, but I'm willing to tell you that as well. Let's say that you mine something on any blockchain. Ethereum is a blockchain. Similarly, there are other blockchains as well, such as Solana or PancakeSwap. So these are all blockchains, and we mine different assets. For example, NFTs. You might have heard about NFTs. So you mine your NFT on your blockchain. So that is how it works. Okay, that is what mining is. And then when it comes to withdrawal, so withdrawal is very easy. Many people get confused that, oh my god, we will be earning in Ethereum, so that's not real money. How we're gonna convert it to our credit cards? That's the thing. That's why I am mentioning these platforms, because all of these platforms actually have a very decent way to get your money, and you can withdraw money to your bank account. Like that's how it works simply. And let me tell you, one Ethereum right now is round about $3,000. Okay, let me actually show you what is the price of Ethereum right now at the time of making this video. So you can see right here that this is the price for Ethereum right now. Like one Ethereum is $3,000. So when you will be mining and you will be earning, maybe you're earning like 0.005 Ethereum, you will still be making hundreds of dollars. And when it comes to earning in Ethereum, you're earning like maybe 2 Ethereum, and you will be making $6,000. So that is how crazy all of this is. So this is one of the platforms. You can simply go to unmineable.com and check out all the information, and you will be able to earn Ethereum. The next platform is NiceHash. NiceHash is another mining platform that allows you to mine and earn Ethereum. So how does it work? You simply, choose your, mining, and then you earn your profits. So you can see right here, when it comes to profits, so we have auto detect my hardware option right here. So auto detection is actually available with NiceHash, and then there is of course a manual selection as well, and you will be actually able to earn Ethereum by just with your PC or with any of the different gadgets you are using, and you will be able to make. You can see right here, this is actually a very nice representation of how it works. You mine and then you pull the buyer, and again it's mining. So this is like a loop. That's how it simply works. And what happens is that everyone can start mining without the need for deep technical knowledge about cryptocurrency. When it comes to NiceHash, buyers actually select the algorithm and the speed, while users or miners running the NiceHash miner software fulfill that order by mining. So this is how simply it works on NiceHash. You can check out the platform right now. Getting started with NiceHash, it's super easy. You can simply go ahead, click on get started, and after that you just simply have to add in the information. You simply add your email address, password, and again confirm password, and you will be able to sign up for a NiceHash, and then you will be able to earn crypto. I just want to clarify one thing, that this video is not a financial advice, and I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just showing you that how you can earn Ethereum without any investment, or with the minimum investment, and you can actually earn up to thousands of dollars with Ethereum, and you can simply mined on Ethereum blockchain as well very easily with these different platforms. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know how to earn Ethereum without any investment. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.